BMW Motorrad has launched stunning special editions, two coolest colorways for the 2026 BMW F900 XR and F900R, exclusively for France. And honestly, riders around the world might feel a little jealous. Let's check them out. The F900 XR Aurelius Green. First up is the F900 XR Aurelius Green edition, and visually, it looks absolutely premium. The deep metallic green paint is inspired by the color palette used in BMW's high-performance M lineup, including the BMW M1000 XR. That rich green finish instantly gives the bike a more upscale and sporty presence. But BMW didn't stop at just the paint. This special version also comes with a color-matched engine spoiler, a dark high-tinted windscreen, and carefully coordinated trim pieces that make the entire bike look factory custom. Mechanically though, the bike stays true to the standard F900 XR platform. Power comes from an 895cc parallel twin engine, producing about 105 horsepower at 8,500 RPM, and 93 Nm of torque at 6,500 RPM. That's enough to push this sport tourer to a top speed of over 193 km per hour. The riding ergonomics also stay the same, with a seat height of 825 mm and 170 mm of suspension travel front and rear. So under the skin it's familiar, but visually, it feels like a much more exclusive machine. The F900R Frozen Grey. Next is the stealthier sibling, the F900R Frozen Grey Edition. If the XR goes for elegance, the F900R leans heavily into an aggressive naked bike vibe. The frozen gray paint scheme gives the motorcycle a subtle but muscular look, similar to the finishes you often see in BMW's automotive lineup. It's minimalistic, sharp, and definitely eye-catching. Like the XR, the mechanical package remains unchanged. That means the same 895cc twin-cylinder engine, delivering 105 horsepower and 93 Nm of torque. You still get the same strong mid-range performance, responsive throttle, and the dynamic riding experience the F900R is known for. So again, no new hardware, just a seriously cool new look. Pricing. For now, these stylish color editions remain France-only releases. The F900 XR Aurelius Green starts at around €12,200, while the F900R Frozen Grey is priced from about €9,500. If these models were launched internationally, estimated pricing could look something like this. Philippines. F900 XR, around 1.1 million pesos. F900R, around 850,000 pesos. USA. F900 XR, about $16,000 to $16,800. F900R, around $9,800 to $10,400. India. F900 XR, roughly 13 to 14 lakh rupees. F900R, around 11 to 12 lakh rupees.